In this video, I want to do kind of a rapid fire myth busting video and talk about some things just briefly without getting into all the details that just aren't true about these animals. Myth number 1. Rabbits are low maintenance starter pets. No. Rabbits are fairly high maintenance exotic animals. They require specialized veterinary care, daily cleaning, proper diet management, enrichment, social interactions, and more. They are not starter pets. They are long-term commitment pets. Myth number 2. Rabbits are great pets for small children. Not typically. Rabbits are prey animals. They usually don't like being held or picked up. They can panic, kick, and seriously injure their own spines trying to escape. They can also hurt small children trying to get away. Rabbits thrive in calm, predictable environments. They're better suited for responsible teens and adults who understand and respect prey animal behavior. Myth number 3. Rabbits can live in cages. Oh, absolutely not. Rabbits need space to run, jump, and play. They need to stretch, stand upright, and express natural for rabbit behaviors. They require a lot of space. Bunny-proof your home, supervise outdoor playtime, and indoor free roam, if that's the safest place for your furry friend, but they need space. When talking about rabbits' living space, the word cage shouldn't be part of the conversation. Myth number 4. Rabbits don't need a vet unless they're injured. No, that would not be true. Rabbits hide illness extremely well. They're also good at hiding injuries. Rabbits suffer in silence, and in fact, silent suffering is their superpower. They hide injuries and illness because of their prey animal nature. By the time symptoms are obvious, it may be too late. These animals need an experienced rabbit-savvy veterinarian for regular wellness checks. Preventative care saves lives. Myth number 5. Rabbits are fine alone. Sometimes that's true, but a rabbit living in solo is not ideal. It goes against the rabbit's base nature. Rabbits are warren animals, meaning they are very social. In the wild, they live in groups. They establish hierarchies and they bond with one another. They thrive when properly bonded with other rabbits. And if they live alone, they're going to require fairly consistent human-rabbit interaction and also enrichment activities to prevent loneliness. Isolation makes for a sad, unhealthy bunny. Myth number 6. Pellets are the main food source. Absolutely wrong. Hay is the main food source of a rabbit. Unlimited grass hay supports digestion, dental health, and overall stability. High-quality pellets are a supplement food. Greens are also a fairly small part of the diet, and treats are only occasional. If you allow pellets to be the bulk of your rabbit's diet, problems will follow. Myth number 7. Rabbits are rodents. Nope. Rabbits belong to the order Lagomorpha, not Rodentia. They have different dental structures and digestive systems. Rabbits are their own unique biological category. Myth number 8. Rabbits are filthy animals. Wrong again. Rabbits groom themselves and their partners almost constantly. They use litter boxes. They don't like soiled, dirty environments. If a rabbit smells or appears dirty, it's typically a human problem. The rabbit is usually confined or not being cared for properly or fed properly. Rabbits are far cleaner than most people think. Myth number 9. Rabbits don't bond with people. That is incorrect. Rabbits may not wag tails or bark once their trust is established, but they show us their own kind of affection in other subtle ways, including nudging us, circling, flopping beside us, grooming our clothing, following us from room to room. That rabbit kind of affection, it's quiet, but it's very real. Rabbits are often misunderstood animals. And why wouldn't they be? They're prey animals living in a predator world, and humans haven't done a great job historically of treating them well. When we understand a rabbit's biology and behavior, we know they have their own little language, and everything starts to make sense. Rabbits are not starter pets. They aren't disposable, and they are not toys. They're intelligent, sensitive, complex companions, and they deserve gentle and responsible care from their human owners.